Sino yung Team Glam dyan?
Wala.
Oh,
Oh.
Team Bangan. Ay, at least may dalawa. Team Bagets. Ay! In fairness, may representative bawat team. Sige. Alright, dito tayo magsisimula sa boys papunta sa girls. Okay. Sige, mag-heels ka? Sige, bilis.
Oh.
Habang... Alright, DJ! Music! Sir Elmer, ikaw ang first. Wala perfect ang music. Ayan! Next, Jason!
MVP! MVP! MVP!
Yes!
MVP! MVP!
Strike a pose! O, diba? Oh! Hey! Suspect! Parang suspect! Next! Sherwin! Pose. Ayan. Next, Jenny. Ayan, ayan. Pa, pa, pa. Wala. Ayan. Tinapos na ang laban. Pa, pa. Hanggang dulo. Ayan. Ayan, pose. Pose. Next, Berlin. Ay, hindi pa pala. Ma'am Rona. Mejino. Oh, pa, 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 Alright, guys, let's give it up for Berlina. Berlina is representing Philippines, and she's wearing a bangus national costume. Berlina is from Tacloban City. She stands 5 feet. Swimming pool. 5 feet po ang lalim. Alright, pose, 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 pose. Yan, ganyan, pa, pa. Oh. Ganyan, oh. May pagka-trio na gray. Ala, hala, hala. Ayan. Ayan. Parang sanay na sanay sa pageant. O, di ba? Thank you very much, Berlina. Up next, Ma'am Abby. Okay lang naman. Go. Pa. O, ayan. Parang gusto niya umuwi ni Ma'am. Okay, sino pa? Balik na. Okay. Alright, last but not least, Rona Ino! Yung hindi nakakuha ng TV. O, diba? Rona Ino has received her ARCAP 3 months ago. Charot. Eme lang. Rona Inot's outfit is sponsored by Jasmine Rice. Alright, thank you very much to our supermodels, Global Portacloban supermodels. And now, Ma'am V, there are 8 fashionistas in the house tonight, but there can only be one winner. Okay, 7 na lang daw. Nag-back out si Ma'am.
MVP!
Okay.
Win ang lahat!
You can claim your prize sa HR tomorrow.
Congratulations to all our winners, lahat ng fashionistas ng Global Portacloban. You are all